Be honest, doesn't it drive you absolutely crazy? Every time a groundbreaking AI tool drops, whether it's OpenAI's Sora or Google's Veo, it's either locked behind a waitlist or it's so expensive that we simply cannot afford it. These giant companies want you to waste thousands of dollars. But today, I'm going to bypass the entire system. I found a secret dashboard in the dark corners of the internet where both of these giants, yes, Sora 2.0 and Veo 3.1, are running in one single place, completely free. And inside this tool, there is a hidden model with a name that might make you laugh, Nano Banana. But don't you dare laugh, because in the next few minutes, this banana is about to throw your expensive Midjourney and Runway subscriptions straight into the trash. And wait, at the end of this video, I will show you a Gmail.hack that lets you loot this tool with one single email for life. Let's hack the system. First, write down the name of this tool, Digen AI. It is brand new, so it is currently in user acquisition mode, which means they are giving away everything for free. Look at the dashboard. Hidden right here is our Nano Banana. Weird name, right? But look at the performance. I am entering a prompt, a cinematic cyborg meditating in neon rain, 8K resolution. Boom, check the detailing. Look at that lighting. This quality isn't just competing with Midjourney's $30 plan, it is destroying it. We use Nano Banana to create the base image. Now, let's bring it to life. Here's where the magic starts. We are not going to another website. Stay on this dashboard and click the Motion tab. Open the model list. Believe your own eyes. Sora 2.0 and Veo 3.1. Both are unlocked. People are begging for access to these, and we are using them here for free. I am selecting Sora 2.0. I will upload that same Nano Banana image and hit generate. It only took 30 credits. And look at the result. This is not a glitchy AI video. This is the Sora engine. Look at how smooth that movement is. You can do the exact same thing with Veo 3.1. The video is ready, but we have one problem. This giant, ugly watermark. If this stays here, the video won't look professional. So, do we go to another website? No. Inside Digen AI, there's a hidden tool called Watermark Remover. Just upload your video here. Select Deep Clean, and gone. The video is crystal clear. Now this footage belongs to you. Upload it to YouTube or Instagram, and nobody will ever catch that it was made with a free tool. Now friends, listen very carefully. Digen gives you 300 free credits to start. Using Sora and the remover will burn through these credits. So do we stop? Do we create new emails? Absolutely not. I am going to show you the Gmail trick. Here's how to fool the system. Let's say your email is esmile@gmail.com. When your credits run out, log out. Go back to sign up. Enter the exact same email, but this time add a dot right in the middle, like this, e.smiley@gmail.com. Digen will think you are a brand new user, but the OTP will land right inside your original inbox. Verify the account, and boom, you have got 300 credits back. Next time, shift the dot again, s.miley@gmail.com. 300 credits again, one email, thousands of accounts, unlimited access. As long as this trick is working, squeeze every drop out of it. Guys, this combination of Nano Banana and the dot trick is a gold mine right now, but it won't stay free for long. I have put the direct link in the pinned comment. Go and create your videos before they patch this loop. If this trick blew your mind, smash that like button and comment unlimited down below. I will see you in the next video with another loophole.